Alright, so today we're just going to install some new sun visors on this 2010 Toyota Venza. As you can see, the liner is going bad on them, and this bracket here that holds the visor up was broken, didn't hold it up, so we decided to get some new ones. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. We get 2 screws that holds it up there, and a little flat screwdriver, unless you have the special tools to take off panels. There's just, we have that cover there, so let's put this one back on. Already get this off. Get this. There we go. Easy peasy. So let's see if we can get this other one on. Be using a flat screwdriver here to get this one off. And then you expose your screws there. Cover off. Ruby. Line them up right. cover back on. Make sure it works. The light. And that's how we get new visors, sun visors, and looks much better. That's how you do that on the 2010 Toyota Venza. If you like this content and like to keep on watching some of those other videos I have, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.